Got that side meat action I was looking for. What's up, y'all, man? I'm back, man. I know I've been slacking, but we about to go pick up the rims for the car finally. So yeah, man, I'm rushing. I gotta get out of here. He told me to come up there by 11:30. It's like 11:05. So yeah, man, we about to go put these rims on the car. I gotta go to the rim shop, High Wheel City. Gotta pay the remainder balance. They should be. They installing my rims and everything today. I also got the side skirts. I got the rear diffuser coming. I got a lot of stuff coming for the car. I'm gonna be installing this stuff myself too, because I like to do all my installations myself, kind of. Sorry if my camera angle a little wacky right now. I'm a little bit rushing, and I didn't have time to mount it up and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, man, the car dirty. I'm kind of mad about that. I ain't had no time, but it is what it is. We still about to be looking good though. It ain't gonna show that on the camera, so you know what I'm saying, don't tell nobody. But you know, well, I'm gonna say don't tell nobody. Y'all, I already told y'all. Man, all right, man, I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to the rim shop. All right, man, we just pulled up to the wheel shop. I'm about to go on up in here. About to look at the rims and stuff. I'm about to get the money, and we about to get these things installed. So yeah, man, let's go. Oh man, got the merch on. What's up, man?
All right.
Yeah.
What's going on?
So I still got a minute for you before you start on me.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. Cause my sister gotta bring my wheel locks anyways.
Cool. Martaz, right?
Yep.
Gotcha.
Like tears to the Rucci, like I don't know.
Yeah, it's like Rucci Forge, Rucci Black Label.
Okay. So I got the black labels, but like, what's the, so like, is it like 2 levels higher, or is like just 1 level higher than that?
No, it's just Rucci Forge, Rucci Black Label.
Really?
No.
So why do it be like so many other levels? Like you go to Forge, they be like these B5s or something like that. Like
There's different names.
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Cause I thought it was like levels to like the rim. I ain't gonna lie, I think I seen the hardest Jeep. It was Aston Rucci's, but he had the back wheel. He bought another Rucci just for his back wheel.
That's crazy.
I thought that was tough though, low key.
Yeah.
Is it tire sensors in there, or you was gonna swap out mine?
Swap out.
Can I get some?
New sensors?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much are those?
I believe $199 program.
Yeah, cause I was gonna keep mine, cause that made the tire deflate and stuff when you take them out, don't it?
Yeah, you could, yeah, it does deflate it, but you could put like a valve stem and air it back up if you want.
Okay. I'll just keep it like how it is then.
Okay.
Yeah, I was just thinking.
Yeah, we'll swap them.
Okay. Just waiting on my sister to get here with the truck. It's hot out here today. It's real hot out here today. I ain't supposed to be in this sun with my skin, but yeah, man, we just out here looking at some cars, man. See what we got over here. Said we might can see my junk over here. Let's see. See, this is something. This is crazy right here. I don't know what's up with this Benz though. Is this a Benz? No, this is a Beamer. This route crazy. It's crazy route. I don't know what color this is. It's a weird color.
No, they don't do it here. It's somewhere on 8 Mile or some shit. I ain't from here. I'm from Fort Wayne.
Okay.
I drove like 3 hours out.
That's pretty cool, man. We got some 24s on here. Thing up in the air. I'm gonna wait till they get down. Supposed to be in the shop, so
they probably gonna dry up here real soon once once that works. So,
yeah. And
Rucci a good name for real.
Yeah, ain't no wheels in the city.
That's crazy. Still ain't none. I'm Wayne. Ain't none in Wayne either. None in Nap, probably Indianapolis, nothing. When they can get them, they want you to order them. We'll holler at you in 8 to 10 weeks. I'm like, shit, man, summer damn near over.
Yeah, the Dino told me 4 weeks. He called me back in a week and a half. I'm like, oh crap.
So he about to boat you up today?
Yeah, he about to boat me up. Yeah, man. So we got the rear diffuser coming soon. Let me see something. Yeah, that's gonna be coming off soon right there. That's coming off soon. That's coming off. They got the side skirts coming on. See what I was talking about? The side skirts right here. My splash guard, the GM splash guard. It don't fit with that. It ain't gonna fit. So I had to cut the splash guard and do my thing. But if anybody in Michigan looking to put some rims on their car, some Ruccis or something like that, come up here on Van Dyke and come see Dino. He'll hook you up, man. They got everything in stock. So I'm gonna drop the location down in the description. But yeah, man, we just waiting for our turn. 300 done. He getting let down right now. Let's go check this out. Yeah, you can tell the back. You got the back poking out more. Yeah. Cool. This time my uncle did his though. He got a Benz. He didn't paint him or nothing either. He left him silver, just like that. The chrome. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, man. Oh, you got the floater. See, I couldn't get the floaters, man, cause I wanted to paint my floaters, but they said you can't paint them cause they already done. Okay. So you ain't want to mess up the finish and stuff. I was kind of sick about that. I ain't gonna lie. All right, y'all. This is the last time y'all go see him like this. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we getting some 295s on here. We get that 300 rolling away. The 300 clean. You winning. Got the 24s on that thing. Well, yeah, we about to be 295, 30, 20, and 285, 30, 20 in the front. But we gonna be 20s all the way around. Cause I wanna do this, I'll keep on still put my wide tires on there. I don't wanna sacrifice no performance, or I didn't want no rubbing, so yeah, man. Yeah, that boy's clean.
I like those tires.
There go that magnetic suspension if y'all ever wanted to see what that look like too. Let me see. Yeah, it's that magnetic suspension. Woo. It's hot than a boy out here. Man, you got all that candy. You don't need all that candy. Jazz, what you think? What you think? Yeah. He's clean. Yeah, they clean. That's what was on them. Yeah. I'm gonna need you to give me just driving. so I can do my thorough review. What's the name went off too? That light. It was a tire sensor light too, so they just swapped out my sensor, put them in these new tires. We good though. We about to go to the car wash and get it all washed up, but I'm about to take it home first. And yeah, we could really look at them and stuff. I want to get out there. He has some cars to do. It's riding real smooth and everything. I like it. I like it. I don't hear no rubbing at all. But I know this wind going crazy. I'm about to go ahead, turn y'all off. We're gonna get back to y'all when we get to the house. Hey man, hey look, so check me out though. It got 295s now.
25?
No, 295s.
Oh my God, I thought you said 25.
No. 295s. It hooks up good too.
Shit. Oh, in the back?
Yeah, it hooks up good. It's 285s in the front.
So you got no stagger?
Huh? Yeah. So,
Willow, shotgun.
yeah, man. When he got the box, I was like, dang. I didn't think. All right. This boy's so clean, y'all. I'm slacking. I'm supposed to have my gimbal out here, but you know what it is. You gotta do what you gotta do with what you got. So yeah, man. Got some Rucci black labels. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. I'm about to go get a car wash. This car is dirty. It's always dirty. That black car is always dirty. Look at this. Y'all see that? Y'all can see it this time. Man, the dude was wiping my car, man. Got my junk all dirty. That's why I don't let people wipe my cars down. But yeah. Yeah, bro, it hooks up though. It hooks up really good.
You have on it?
It was 275, but now it's a 295. Got that side me action I was looking for.
You did go with the 5 stars?
Yeah, got the side me action I was looking for too at the back. Just to pop out a little bit.
Oh yeah.
So, you see how the side skirt make? I swear to God, that splash guard look nice, bro. I'm trying to tell you, bro. Like,
you gonna stuff a splash guard in that bitch too?
It's right there. It's already on there. I put that on there.
Oh, this thing?
Yeah, the splash guard on there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, oh yeah, them boys black too, boy. Them boys black too. You know what I'm saying? The side skirt. Yeah, we been hooking it up. So we just gotta do the side skirt and the rear diffuser. Yeah, we know it's dirty though, but got spider webs on it.
Yeah, dirty.
Yeah, boy clean, man.
Yes, sir. You like keeping them bitches clean now?
What? No, these gonna be way easier to clean than the wheels that were just on there. Look how open it is. I could clean that with a towel just going straight across. That's not too easy.
I got the little spider webs, boy.
I gotta go wet up my tires. Them boys looking crusty.
Oh, dude, how much tire shine you put on them bitches?
No, them boys look crusty though. You could tell these just came out the shop. But yeah, man, had to come.
I wish I had a
Bro, wait a minute, where your car at?
It's been in MC whips, bro.
Oh, is they putting it back together?
They
These gonna be black soon too. The tips.
The tips.
Cause I'm getting a different exhaust, but
I'm waiting for those rims to come in so I can take my tips too and get them all powder coated at the same time. Shit,
oh yeah.
That boy was bouncing, dog. I
okay.
want that shit, bro.
Hey, look.
I'm sorry.
When you starting the channel?
Never.
I tried. Never. I tried. Yeah, they asked about your car, like why he don't got a channel. But yeah, he don't want to start a channel. He being lame. I told him when I get to 500, he got to start one, so it don't matter.
I ain't here for all that,
So man, but yeah, it's hot as heck out here. I'm about to go wash my car and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, man. So this is only supposed to be this one. No, this is the wrong one. It's only supposed to be that one. Read the sticker.
Yeah, red line and that one's upside down.
Yeah.
So you gotta replay it around.
And then I think I was supposed to have an extra sticker somewhere on the car.
Oh.
So they're doing it for free, but I'm gonna try and slide the fender sticker, and they're like, hey man, can y'all just slap this on while y'all slapping stickers on? You know what I'm saying?
You talking about the stripes?
Yeah, man.
Fender?
Yeah. So.
How you even open this?
Bye.